Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a follow-up video on the blind automation that we put in. These are Kincmo blinds, and so you can see that they're beautiful. They're roller shades, and so we did the roller shades for this room. We're probably going to do some other shades for our dining room as well. But I want to talk to you about the automation that it comes with this. So it's really kind of a cool system that allows you to automate it. Of course, you can have this keypad as well, and this pad is really stylish. I like that as well. You can lower and raise your blinds based on this keypad, and it also does multiple blinds all at the same time. So you can actually lower and raise each blind separately. You can do them all as one. You can do that with just that keypad doing an up arrow or down arrow or that sort of thing as well. But if you want to do more to automate it, you can download this app, and this app works with this thing called an M-Box. So this is the box itself. You connect it to your internet, and you connect your blinds to it, or you connect your control to it, and it's just this tiny little box. See, that's it. It's called an M-Box. And so that will allow you to do more automation with your blinds. And so basically I connected all my blinds to it, so all of these are connected to that. I can use my phone to control it. I can also just set up different scenarios or scenes like you want to do for if things happen like sunset, sunrise. You can do things like that. So that's where we're at right now with my automation. So I have it open the blinds to 50% every morning at sunrise. So at sunrise, I come downstairs, my blinds are here. I can set it anywhere, 75%, 100%, you can do that. And it just does it automatically. So when I come down, my blinds are open. And then at sunset, it closes all my blinds. So basically, I want more privacy. So all my blinds close at sunset, and it does it automatically. I'll just be sitting on my couch, and all four blinds just go down, and you have your privacy within your home. You could do a bunch of different automations with it, and you can also do and set up different scenes for it as well. So you can, say that you want to do, dinner scene. Well, dinner scene, maybe you want it to be here. So you get 75% coverage, and so people can't see who's in your house, but you get a little bit of light through it. You can set up different scenes that you want to do, and then you just hit the button when you want that scene, and it'll say, okay, and it does it. So here's the scenes that are set up today for me, which are just an open scene or a close, so it does those. And then, like I said, anytime, you can just decide you want to have them all open or all closed. And so it looks like that within your phone. That's the Schultz living room right there. That's my M-Box device. And here's my blinds, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which go around the room just like that. So it allows you to do that. And then there's my automation, open blinds. So which blinds do I want to open? I chose all 4 at the sunrise every day, open blinds. And so it opens them to 50%, which you can see here, 50, 50, 50, 50. You can do them differently. You can do them all the same if you want. You can do all of that. And then closed blinds at the sunset. And I want them all the way closed, so all the way down to the bottom. So it does that. You can set up anything you want. You can set up different scenes if you want. You can set up, maybe at noon when the sun beats in on your living room or your room at noon. You can close them more or open them more, depending on what your preference is. So the automation is really a cool feature. I don't even think about it anymore. I don't ever use this keypad anymore for the most part, unless something's going on where I'm like, oh, we're all sitting here and the neighbors are outside. Hit close, right? So I don't think about it anymore. The automation does it for me. So I'll put a link in the description below to the M-Box. If you have automated blinds like I do with Kincmo, it's a great feature to have, and it just provides this really cool techie kind of feeling to your house. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Super thanks as always, welcome, and we'll see you next time.